This is Johnny, and I wanted to do another supplemental video to the one I posted earlier. Alaska had asked if I was using these points to rotate. You can set these CAD points and then rotate your objects around those CAD points. And there's a specific tool here. In fact, I went ahead and put it in my tool menu bar, and where you can rotate around a CAD point, which is helpful. I won't lie, that's a lot better than what I was trying to do. But part of the problem with this is that Chief sets the line you're going to use to rotate for you. So here I have, let's say, this line, this lower line, that I'm trying to align with this guideline that I've set. Well, my rotate handle is on the upper part of that line. Now, there's nothing that I can see to change that. The other thing that I'll just mention is there's no snapping. For some reason, snapping turns off. So there's no way for me to snap to anything in this mode. So again, I'm almost left to just trying to line it up visually, and you're never right on. I mean, you'd have to really zoom in and just hope that you've got it. So this is, in my opinion, it's a little bit sloppy. Now the other option that was mentioned is using the angle tool, the angle dimension, and I'll just go ahead and see. I thought I got. Yeah, I don't. See, that won't work. I can already tell you that's not gonna. 0 to get, yeah, kind of, you're gonna have to, I don't know. Yep. So I wanted to show again the protractor. This is the same kind of setup inside of Vectorworks. The protractor tool that I envision is just so easy. I mean, I'm on that line, I snap to that next line, and that's a perfect snap. 2 clicks. No experimenting. See, the key to the protractor tool inside of Chief, and actually it's very similar in other apps, I happen to know that, is that the line that you want to snap to is determined by the user. So right now I'm on this I'll say inside line. So if I want to rotate around that point, so be it. If I want to rotate around the outside line, so be it. I can fix points, for instance, if I want to put that line in line with there. So now if I draw a straight line, obviously that's going to line up perfectly. So it's just so invaluable, and that's what a protractor is in real life. So I guess I would really hope that Chief might consider changing the way this is done, really. I just don't think this is a very accurate way to move something. Now I know I can sit there and input the numbers. I realize that. I can find this angle of this line and go ahead and make these lines match. But now I'm double clicking, I'm entering into a dialog box, I'm having to enter numbers. I have to find that out, copy paste into this, and then it moves. And even then it won't rotate. Then I've got to reposition this because it's not going to rotate necessarily on that line. Now, I do know there's this other tool which is the rotate around objects, but now I've just added even 2 more clicks to the process. So either way, whether you're going to point-to-point resize or point-to-point move back to this corner, or you're going to use this, rotate around the CAD point, and you've got to set the CAD point. So I do think this is a lot more involved and unnecessary, and I got to restate that I think a protractor inside Chief would be very helpful.